Okay, so let's start up. Cold and dark. Mixture for rich. Crack the throttle a touch. Check fuels on both. Last is on. Fuel pumps on this one. And let's start. Pressure up, oil pressure up within 30 seconds into the green. Idling at 1,000. And just bringing the mixture back. Exhaust gas temperature gauge here. Bring the mixture back until we get peak EGT. Go, and we just enrich just a touch until it drops back down. Okay, avionics master on. We'll go beacon and stove on now. Hook flaps up, trim set for takeoff. Altimeter's set. We can set our DI here. Just to the side of south. Radios are set, transponder on standby. Okay, brakes are off. Taxi over to the run-up bay. Check brakes. Turn right. Skid left. DI increasing, compass increasing. Turn left, skid right, DI decreasing, compass decreasing. As you taxi, keeping a good lookout for other traffic. Run-up bay. And if there's any wind, we'd position into the wind. Brakes on, throttle back up to 1,000. Mixture rich. Bring that RPM up to 1,700. Check right mag, slight drop. Left mag, slight drop. On both. Checking out amps, should be charging a bit. Facts in the green, temperature, pressure in the green. Go back to idle. Back up to 1,000. And again we're going to lean the mixture. Watching that EGT. If you don't have an EGT, just pull the mixture back until it runs slightly, just start to run rough. And then you enrich it a bit. Okay, so fuel's on both. Trim set for takeoff. We don't need flap. Light switches run both. Compass is set. Altimeter is set. Radios are set. Give a radio call. Lismore traffic, Cessna uniform Whiskey Romeo Quebec is taxiing for circuits for runway 15 Lismore. Brakes off. To make sure there's no other traffic. And approaching the holding point for the runway. As I stop, position the aircraft so I can see if there's any aircraft on final. Lights, camera action, so burning lights on, burning lights on. transponders on standby. Oh no, transponders on altitude. And radio call. Lismore traffic, Cessna Whiskey Romeo Quebec entering and backtracking at runway 15 for Lismore. Good look. Make sure the runway is clear. Keep on checking for traffic. All of the available runway. Okay, under that centre line, runway centre line. Okay, ready to go. Make sure our mixture is rich. Smoothly applying full power. A little bit of right rudder. As we apply the power, go straight on the centre line. Checking that we do have full power, 2,300. Temperature and pressures are green. Airspeed is increasing. 50 knots. Slowly off the deck. Hold it there until we reach our speed for our best rate of climb. Pitching for best rate of climb speed. 67 knots. Trimming for 67. Go, checking all centered. Fast there. 300 feet. Flaps to pressure 400 feet. Good look out. 500 feet. Point off the wingtip. Rate 1 climbing turn. Balanced airspeed. Under 1,000 feet. Leveling out. Runway's at that back 3/4 so we can turn on it downwind. Bring the power back 2,200 in the circuit. And we're going to turn downwind. Downwind call. Lismore traffic, Cessna Whiskey Romeo Quebec is downwind at runway 15 and full stop at Lismore. Okay, check my balance there. Okay. Pre-landing checks. Okay, check our spacing from the runway. Good. Brakes. Undercarriage is down, the knock mixture is rich, fuel pump is on. Instruments are checked. Switches are on both. Hatches and harnesses are secure. At that 3/4 point. So good look out. Bringing the power back to 1,500. Initiating the turn onto base. I'm going to hold the nose up here. Our airspeed back. Speed the wide arc for a stage of flap. Looking for 70 knots. Keeping the turn going, checking out balancing the turn. Using pitch to control airspeed. I'm using power to control rate of descent. Getting a bit slow there, I'm going to lower the nose. Mid base, 750 feet, that's looking good. We'll be rolling out on a final at 500. 70 knots. Okay, ready to turn on to final. Right, centre and left. As we turn on to final, second stage of flap. Lowering the nose as the flap cuts in. maintain our airspeed. We're a bit slow there. I'm going to use power to control airspeed and pitch control our aiming point. So at 65, 300 feet, heels in the floor, carburetor heat off, check runway is clear. A little bit low, so we're going to add some power, raise the nose a little bit. Aim point aspect airspeed, aim point aspect airspeed, aim point aspect airspeed.